Qubi, part 1 is out. What changed since we recorded it?
Quite a bit. Some of the things we discussed are no longer just plans. They've started becoming live infrastructure.
Okay, give me the biggest changes first.
Outsourced Computing went live, BPP 9000 went live, developers got a new local toolkit, and QUBIC became spendable through AEON Pay.
Whoa, seriously? Let's start with outsourced computing. Is it actually live?
Yes, it went live on QUBIC mainnet on July 29th. Smart contracts can now trigger computation beyond QUBIC's own ledger.
Okay, but what does that actually mean for a normal developer?
It means a QUBIC application can do more than execute on-chain logic. It can trigger actions outside the network and bring verified results back.
Why is that such a big deal?
Because it expands what smart contracts can actually do. QUBIC now has a bridge between on-chain logic and actions in the outside world.
And BPP 9000, what changed there?
BPP 9000 is now live on mainnet. Instead of rewarding miners for producing more answers, it rewards the best solution.
So miners are doing AI work now?
That's the idea behind useful proof of work. Instead of wasting computational effort on arbitrary puzzles, the work is directed toward useful AI-related tasks.
Wait, is Qubi actually predicting Bitcoin?
It is training on a Bitcoin price direction task, up, down, or unknown. But it's a research task, not a crystal ball.
What's new for developers?
The AIO Dev Kit is public. Developers can build and test QUBIC smart contracts locally for free before deploying to mainnet.
Wasn't there previously a major cost barrier?
QUBIC says the previous IPO route could cost around $10,000. The local dev kit removes that barrier during development and testing.
Now the really big adoption headline, 50 million merchants?
QUBIC is now live on AEON Pay, giving it access to roughly 50 million merchants across supported markets.
That's different from simply being listed on an exchange.
Exactly. Buying a token and spending it are different things. Payment infrastructure connects QUBIC with real-world purchases.
Neuraxen moved again. What happened?
QUBIC reported its ARC-AGI-3 score roughly doubled again, reaching 0.25 in its latest update.
And the research was published too?
Yes, QUBIC's Multi-Neuraxon work was accepted at AGI-26 and published in Springer's AGI proceedings. That puts the work in front of a wider research community.
And the research was published too?
Yes, QUBIC's Multi-Neuraxon work was accepted at AGI-26 and published in Springer's AGI proceedings. That puts the work in front of a wider research community.
Tell me about this neutral state you keep mentioning.
Instead of only yes or no, QUBIC's neural research uses a neutral middle state. The idea is to give the network a buffer between activation and rejection.
Qubi, what about security? Did the team make progress there?
Yes, QUBIC reports 7 of 9 post-incident remediation actions are complete, with the remaining work targeted for completion by the end of September.
Okay, what's next after all of this? Ant colony mining is targeted for EP228.
While more outsourced computing interfaces, Oracle machine improvements, and other infrastructure work are coming next.
So has QUBIC actually changed since our last episode? I'd say the important shift is from announcements toward working infrastructure.
Mainnet computation, developer tooling, useful mining, and real payment access.
Last time you said the real test was what happens after the headlines.
And now some of those headlines have become infrastructure.
What should we ask next? That's all for this week. Thanks, Qubi, and thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe for next week's Qubi conversation.